Slap the paper. Spread your fingers apart. From the knuckle of your pinky finger, trace your hand all the way to your wrist. If you forgot to take your ring off like I did, you can erase that now. Okay, it's upside down, so let's flip the paper. This octopus needs a head right here. Do a little curved line, and then a bump for one of the eyes. Now we'll put in the octopus body. Just a backwards C. Kind of looks like a head, but it's mostly the body. From your pinky finger, continue the line and go all the way up. Keep going past that C. And then swoop around and draw the other eye. Add another line right here behind the eye. I think this is where octopuses squirt from. Okay, do you see these areas right where the fingers meet? They're a little too pointy, so we're going to have to round them off. But first, let's take a few seconds to listen to the sponsor, me. I hope you liked the video so far, but if you also like slowing things down, my book, The New Artist's Guide to Drawing, has everything you need from foundations to drawing animals, landscapes, the human body, the face, anything you might need to get started with drawing. It's good for ages 9 to 99. The book is available on Amazon, all the major bookstore chains, a lot of the independent local bookstores if you want to support local. Yeah, please do check it out. Let's get back to the video. Let's draw nice round curves between these octopus arms. Any biologists or zoologists out there can tell me if these are arms or tentacles. I think they're arms. And we're going to change the fingertips too. Let's just get rid of those. We're going to make these a little curlier. So start with this first curved line. Now start another line that goes up and curls all the way around and then connects. Okay, from the outside of this finger, curl it around to a little spiral and then connect it. Same thing with the next finger. Draw that spiral. We'll do a slightly different spiral here just to get some variation. Spin it around, draw your spiral, and then we'll just connect it like this. And the last one, maybe a looser spiral, so spin it around and then come back around the other way and then connect it. Okay, now we're going to put the little suckers on the underside of these tentacles. So we have to choose which side. So let's go on the left side of each of them. I'm just drawing little ovals or circles along the sides. And I'm just going to speed this up. You can take as much time as you like and make your drawing as perfect as you think it needs to be. And from the reference photo I looked at, it seemed like there was a line between the sucker side of the arm and the non-sucker side of the arm. So let's draw those lines now. Just kind of swoops around. Same thing with this side. I'll actually connect it. And the middle one, I'll just direct it right in toward the middle. And same thing with this one. For where the thumb was, I'll bring that around and also connect that. Okay, let's add some patterning. The octopus has many different kinds of patterns. This one's going to be kind of loosely spotted. And I'm following the direction of the arms all the way up and into the body. This might be a good time to reinforce any of the outside lines you have. Make them a little darker. You might want to use a marker here, depending on if you're going to color it afterwards or just shade it. Now for the spots on the head, I'm going to have them kind of mimic the form. So you can see that they're all kind of rounded to emphasize the roundness of the head. Let's turn our attention now to the eye. I'm going to start with a circle. And then I'll draw a very light, almost eyebrow ridge. The pupil isn't round like a human's eye. It's more like a goat's eye. So it looks like a bar. It's flat across the top and the bottom. And then just color that in. I'll draw another little wrinkle under the eye. We won't see the eye on the other side, but we can indicate some form with some light lines. And then draw some more spots in that area. Now I'll take a blending stick. This is just rolled paper. If you don't have one, it's not a big deal. You can use a cotton swab or your finger, and then just shade the whole thing. If you don't want to shade, you might want to pick up some color pencils or acrylic markers, and then just color it according to your whim. And just have fun with it. I'll show you the final drawing in 4 seconds, right after this. Thank you for supporting the channel with your likes, comments, shares, and saves, but also I do have new merch, pencil pusher, in a ton of different colors. Check it out on my store at markliamsmith.com. Thanks.